Hey everybody, this is Spider-Man117 here, bringing in another video on how I adjust my tire pressure. So let's check what it is right now. So as you can see, it's probably only 21, and the noise may be loud in the background, but I'm going to pump up the tire to probably 36 or 38. I'll let it my air compressor pick back up and see what it's at right now. Yeah, for some reason the camera's not really focusing. There we go. Nope, almost had it. Well, anyways, it's at 31, so I want to get it between 36 and 38 on my truck. Let's check it real quick. This is going to be loud. Okay, so the pressure should be high enough. I should be able to fill it back up. Probably wait about, count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what that's at. This thing does have a hard time focusing, so. Well, I had it. Well, anyways, it's at 34 right now, so about 2 more PSI, but I'm going to try to get it to 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's at 35. So a few more PSI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 seconds on that. There we go. Probably because of the light. Well, it's at 38, so that's how I do my tire.